and my name is Vansh, and I am here to play the role of Anjana Om Kashyap.
Okay.
These YouTube star teachers who don't know a thing and they pick up a blackboard.
Amazing, amazing. Good.
A very hot place. The sun is very hot there. The sun is very hot there. The temperature is very high, and people are dying because of the sun. There is a scarcity of water, and all the people are having very problems to face in their lives. The news has is little bit shocking, but we must have to save water. Let us meet after 6-7 minutes. Bye. Thank you, ma'am.
Very good topic. Very good, Pavni. Well done. Now, Amira. Amira. Okay.
Hello, my name is Amira Seni. Today I am going to play a role of an anchor. Her name is Anjana Om Kashyap. Let's start.
Okay.
Hello, good evening. My name is Anjana Om Kashyap. You are watching Halla Bol in Art Stuck. Breaking news is coming. Petrol and diesel price is rising up.
Very good.
So, nobody is able to buy petrol and diesel.
Well done.
Another breaking news is coming from Lakshminagar. A building catch fire and the fire truck came late and 20 people had already died on the spot. The next news. One man was going and a car hit him and the car driver ran away because he doesn't want to go to jail. The next news. Because of the heat wave, nobody is going out for their homes and they are only living in their houses and they are working from home. Thank you.
Wow, wonderful. You raised an amazing topic. Wow, wonderful. Now, who is next? Who is next? Where is Aradhya? Today she is not there, na? Okay, who is next? Raise your hand. Otherwise, I will call your name. But you can't read anything. Have you not prepared anything? Okay, Kush, very good. Kush.
Good morning, everyone. I am Kush, reporting for Indian Today's News, and my author name is Rajiv Sir Desai. Today's headline: First, Meenakshi Natarajan's attitude has resisted. Second, President of India, Mr. Narendra Modi, is the person that is the longest time period on seat of President of India. Third, no related of Arvind Kejriwal post clean chief for
Are you reading something?
Prabal, but no.
Okay, good. Continue.
Thank you.
Done? Well tried.
Yes.
Good. Okay, now who is next? Raise your hand. Wow. Okay, unmute.
Ma'am, my name is Avikya Yadav and I am going to play the role of Anjana Kashyap, a famous news reporter. Let's start. My name is Anjana Kashyap and I am going to tell you a news related to jungle. In the jungle, there were two friends and they were walking through the jungle. Suddenly, they saw a big bear, and the first friend climbed the tree, but second friend did not climb the tree. So he remembered that the bear don't attack at dead people. So he lay down on the ground and bear sniffed him and ran away. And the and the, there this news is related
क्यों हिला रहा है टेबल को बार बार?
America. There was a big tower fell down and their doctors came and but already 50 people were died down the tower. This is my news. Thanks for watching.
Wow, well done, well done. Abhikya, very good, amazing. Now who is next? Himank.
Everyone, I am Himang and I am going to play a role of Rajat Sharma. So let's start. So hello everyone, I am Rajat Sharma and welcome to Aaj Ki Baat live from India TV studio. Before we begin, a quick announcement for your families. So let's start with a new slot at 4:15 starting today. So let's start. So now it's time for national news update. So tonight, top story takes us to New Delhi, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi has officially broken a historical political record. Meanwhile, the Education Ministry is working around the clock to make final preparation for the national NEET re-examination coming up to June 21, ensuring absolutely security and fairness for all. And today's temperature news is the maximum temperature is 35 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. Thank you.
Wonderful.
We will meet again after few time.
Very good, amazing. Now, Kunal, again, start again. Kunal, start again. Okay, start again.
Good morning, Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Kunal. Today I am going to play the role of Ravish Kumar. Environmental news. People are getting more secure about the environment and started planting more trees and keeping our environment safe by using public transport and vehicles for physical use.
चाहिए गेट मत खोल दियो.
Sports news. Sports news. The schools are maintaining a proper study for each and every student, not only focusing on studies but also on physical and mental health. Third, studies. Sorry, done.
Very good. Well done, well done. Very good. Kunal, and now who is next? Vansh, are you ready? Vansh.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start. Start.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Vansh, and I am here to play the role of Anjana Kashyap.
Okay.
These YouTube star teachers who don't know a thing and they pick up a blackboard.
Amazing, amazing. Good. I wanted you to talk about it. Okay, continue.
They pick up a blackboard and start making the explainer videos. They are just doing it for views. They write sensational headlines and then they start thinking of themselves as such as great masters. That's Mama. Thank you.
Good, good. Short but amazing. Okay, now who is next? Yashashvi. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, continue.
Hello, my name is Shishvi Rai. I will play a role of Romana Ishan Khan from ABP News. I will tell the news related to jungle. Yesterday I was visited to a jungle and I saw rabbits, rats, elephants, and many more. Suddenly, a monkey came to a banana tree because it was hungry. But monkey does not found any
Did
banana
not. Did not
because
find. Did not find.
did not find any bananas on the tree because a squirrel has plucked all the bananas for rainy seasons and winter season.
Very good.
Suddenly, a hedgehog comes and said that these bananas are mine. But they were fighting behind bananas. Then
For bananas.
then monkey understand that the squirrel have all the bananas. Then monkey gone to squirrel hatch and
Good, good, good. Well tried. Continue.
and put and taken out all the bananas from our home. And the monkey is busy in eating, and they both were busy in fighting. Elephant came and said that you
Came.
both are busy in fighting, and the monkey is busy in eating. And then all the animals start laughing and
Started laughing.
and squirrel and hedgehog said to each other that we will store it again.
Done?
Thank you.
Very good.
Yes.
Good, good, good. Now, Amira. Amira. Have you done?
Yes, sir.
Oh, yes, you have done. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, now Varun.
Hello everyone, my name is Varun. Today I am role play of Palpi Sharma, anchor of First Post channel. Today I will discuss recently news of world. Many people are worried for India's population are decreasing, but some people are saying opposite. But
People, not peoples. People, not peoples. Okay?
in which world richest man Elon Musk say post on a X, India's population is decreasing,
Mm-hmm.
but this is real news. Thank you.
Very good. That's how you can do, na? There is no need to read anything, any article. Very good, Varun. You have to do it every day. Okay? Chalo. Mute yourself. Now, Abhiksha, have you done? Abhiksha.
Yes, ma'am. I
Yes.
have done.
Okay. Manav, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, continue.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Manav. I am a news reporter. I have a news for you. Because of heat, Rajasthan Lodi is very hot, about 40 degrees Celsius. Second news, the diesel price is very high because of blocking the state of hormones.
They are because of war. The India oil trade is depend on state of hormones about 50%.
That's all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good, good. Were you reading something? Yes, you were reading. Don't try to read anything, okay? Otherwise, you are not going to learn ABC. If you really want to learn how to speak English, put yourself into difficulties. Alright? Okay, Manav? Chalo. Okay, very good. Now, Neeti,
Yes, ma'am.
have you prepared or not? Tell me. No. Okay, tell me any story. Any story.
Ma'am, the story is about the jungle. There was a bird sitting on a tree. The hunter birds
Don't move your phone. Don't move your phone. Keep it somewhere.
singing a song. After that, the hunter came and threw a net on the bird. Birds are catch in the net, and the hunter take net and birds to their home, and they will catch a birds in a cage.
Mm-hmm.
Birds are doing chitter chatter, singing, talking. That thing birds are doing. But the hunter did not leave the birds.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. But you should have prepared one topic.